Today topic is two-dimensional collision or oblique collision. Some conceptual point related to two-dimensional collision. First point, collision of striker of carom board with the wall of hole. The surface of floor of carom board is horizontal and suppose it is frictionless. There is no friction between striker and the wall of carom board. Mass of striker is m and the wall is very heavy and wall is at rest. Angle of incidence of striker is theta I or I and angle of reflection is theta r or r. Velocity of striker before collision is u and after collision reflected velocity is v. Coefficient of restitution between striker and wall is E. This is positive direction and this is positive direction. This is tangential direction. This is normal direction. So A is point of incidence, tangential direction, normal direction. U is initial velocity, before collision velocity. Theta I is angle of incidence. तो ये फोर्स लग रहा है इस पर F1 और F2, ये कैरम बोर्ड पर फोर्स लग रहा है. तो mod F1 इक्वल टू mod F2 इक्वल टू F. थीटा R is reflected angle, tangential direction, and this is normal direction. Normal direction equal to n, tangential direction equal to t. Note, describe the motion, velocities, momentum and forces, not x and y components but tangential and normal components. Second point, during collision bodies applies force F on each other, normal to the wall. Third point, as there is no friction between striker and wall, so no tangential force. Fourth point, as there is no tangential force, so no change in tangential component of momentum and velocity of striker. Fifth point, the tangential and normal components of initial velocity of striker are u tangential equal to u sin theta I, u normal equal to minus u cos theta I. Sixth point, tangential and normal component of final velocity of striker are v tangential equal to v sin theta r, v normal equal to v cos theta r, v tangential equal to u tangential, v sin theta r equal to u sin theta I. Collision of striker and wall because of normal component of velocity. Then equation of collision can be applied for normal component of velocity. Then by Newton's restitution formula, normal components of velocity is v1 normal minus v2 normal equal to minus c u1 normal minus u2 normal. Vn minus 0 equal to minus c un minus 0. Vn final velocity of normal component equal to minus c is restitution coefficient of restitution, u initial velocity of normal component. Thank you.